First and foremost, I would like to thank God and my family for being there for me every step of this journey. Lord knows it's been a long one. I want to thank every coach and trainer that has pushed me to be the best person I can be on and off the field. To my prep family, my OTT family, I love y'all and thank you for pushing me to be great every day. I would like to thank my parents for being there for me and my siblings and leading us down the right path in this world. I love y'all the most. Thank you to all of the people who came to show their support today. I really appreciate it. I would like to thank my teammates, past and present. I would like to thank my coaches, past and present. Lastly, I appreciate all of the colleges who took their time to offer me an opportunity to play for their program. It is truly a blessing to be in this position. I never took it lightly. But now I have made my decision. With that being said, for the next 3 years, I'll be continuing my athletic and academic career at
Yo!